Okay, so boom, check it out. Have you tried this lemon and herb Old Bay seasoning? Let's put some on some shrimp. What? Fat. You have to try it. What about this? You tried this Famous Dave's chicken rub? Let's put that on some chicken. Come on, baby. You see it? This time we have the Buldak rice, but it's the carbonara kind. Plus, we're gonna mix it with the really hot one that we tried last time. If you didn't see that video, make sure you check it out on my YouTube channel and Cooking with Miss Walker. Now this rice is so freaking fat. In a pan, scramble you some eggs. So when you purchase one bag of Buldak rice, they give you two small bags inside of one bag. So I want to save one of the carbonaras for my nephew because he really want to try them. Okay, so boom, get the skillet. I want to spray some olive oil spray in the bottom of the pan. And we want to get the rice and drop them bags right on top of that oil. Stir it around real good. Make sure it don't stick.
Sticking it all. Okay.
Okay, we got some fresh bean sprouts from Pete's. We're going to make sure we add some of those. Bam. Stir it up real good. Get them sauteed a little bit. Now this is the good part. Add the chicken, the shrimp, and the eggs together on top of the rice and bean sprouts. And this is what you get. Stir-fried rice. Quick, simple, easy, full of flavor. Very, very, very spicy. But it's so good, y'all. Head over to the Gang of Market and grab you some of that rice.